madness.
Hello guys, welcome to Twins Editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can place or import images in your Adobe InDesign for making a document or PDF. So to that, first I'm going to put some text just to create a layout. I'm going to put some dummy text. So basically here is some text, so you will understand it better. So maybe we are making a headline image. To do that, first go here. It's called the rectangle frame tool, or you can press F and then drag a rectangle and make it as a frame. So this will be the placeholder for our image, and it will be a headline image for us. Just drag the image and place it on the rectangle. As you can see, it's already fit in the rectangle, and with this direct selection tool you can change the image size or position as you want. So this is how you can place an image. So maybe you are going for another image just in a different style. Click on the rectangle frame tool and you can see there's the ellipse frame tool. Let's drag a ellipse, and if you want to keep the proportion, just press shift and then drag the ellipse. It will make a perfect round shape. Again, this is another placeholder to place image. Maybe we are going to use another image here. Just drag and drop. As you can see, it's already very big image. So go to the direct selection tool, click on the image, go to the fitting and click on this one, fit frame proportionally, and you can see now it's already in a perfect position. And you can also click on this one and increase your image size and place as you want. So that's another option that we can make. It's a rectangle frame, it's a rounded frame. So if you go to the pen tools and make your custom frame, that will also work. Let's make a custom shape as I want. Let's drag another image. It's already fitted. Click and you can place as you want it, or you can increase the size too. So yes, basically this is how you can place image and format them in your Adobe document as you want, and creativity is up to you. You can create many unique formats, so that's totally your game. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Consider subscribing if you find this tutorial helpful. Happy designing.